that equation solution is not possible, because equation number of equations should not be less than number of variables. Okay, if suppose 3 variables are there, then how many minimum equations are required to solve?
Three.
Equations are 3. Okay, so whatever are number of variables, minimum number of equations should be equal to that. It may be more, okay, but if it is less than that, then you will not be able to solve. Okay, so always remember that whatever are the number of variables in the equation, minimum those number of equations should be there. Okay, now talking about the solution, how to solve, there are 3 methods which are given in your book how to solve the simultaneous linear equations. First is substitution method, and the second is elimination method, and the third is method of cross multiplication, which is introduced for the first time. About substitution method and elimination method you have done in class 8th also, but over here I have continued over here because it is in your syllabus. So about 1 and 2 you have studied in class 8th also, in class 7th also. In substitution method, what were we doing? We substitute the value of one variable in the form of other in the second equation and then try to solve. In elimination method, what were we doing? We were trying to equate the coefficient of any one variable and then try to eliminate and then try to proceed to solve the equations. It will be more clear. Let us take one example. Okay, but in case of method of cross multiplication, just now, in method of cross multiplication, because this method is very important, and mostly the sum will come from method of cross multiplication only, but it is not sure. It may be from substitution or elimination also, but this method is very important. So try to understand. If there are 2 equations like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, you have to solve for the values of x and y. So what you will do, as I have shown you, in method of cross multiplication, you will write the terms in this manner, x upon, and you will write the coefficient, like if I take x upon b1c2, okay, b1c2, okay, and b2c1. That is why b2c1, that is why when I'm taking x, then I will take the coefficient of y and the constant term in this cross multiplication method. Now the middle term is written with minus y. Okay, middle term is written with minus y. Now minus, again we will write, when we are writing the coefficient with respect to y, then we will not take the coefficient of y. We will take the coefficient of x and the constant term. That means a1 into c2, okay, a1 into c2 minus a2 into c1. That is okay, in the cross multiplication method, and now for the third term, because c1 and c2 are the constant terms, so you will take 1 upon, and then you will take the cross product of the coefficients of the x and y, variables x and y, and you will write in this manner a1 b2 and minus a2 b1. Okay, so I have written also, after simplifying, I have written also x upon, when you will do the multiplication, x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to minus y upon a1 c2 minus a2 c1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2, okay, minus a2 b1. We will write this, okay, and now on equating, there are 3 terms with the equal to sign in between. X upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to minus y upon a1 c2 minus a2 c1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. If we equate the first and the last term, so we will get x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So from here, when we will equate the first and the last term, then x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. It is already there. Okay, you will get the value of x as this, and then if we take the second and the last term, okay, if we take the second and the last term, then we will get y is equal to a2c1 minus a1c2 upon a1b2 minus a2b1. Okay, it will be more clear with the help of example, because over here a1, a2, okay, all these are also in the form of variables. So let us take one example, okay, and I will take one example and tell you how to solve the question by all the three methods. Okay, have you now like I have taken one case, solve 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. By all the three methods as I told you. First of all, by substitution method. Here I have written the two equations, 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0, okay, and 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. So, yes. Okay, so 2x is equal to, when you will shift this 3y on the right hand side, it will become minus 3y and minus 7 will become plus 7. So x is equal to minus 3y plus 7 upon 2. That means I found the value of x in terms of y. What is the value of x in terms of y? X is equal to minus 3y plus 7 upon 2. Now I am going to substitute this value of x in the second equation. Okay. And what was the second equation? 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. So when we will substitute this value, we will get 3 into, in place of x, we will write this value, which we have got from the first equation, minus 3y plus 7 upon 2 and plus 4y as usual, minus 10 as usual equal to 0. So when you will multiply, you will get minus 9y and plus 21, 3 into 7 is 21 upon 2 plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. Now I've taken 2 as a common LCM of all the terms. So you will get minus 9y plus 21, okay, and plus 8y minus 20 equal to 0. So when you will multiply the denominator 2 with 0, it will be 0. That means on simplifying, you will get minus y, okay, because minus 9y plus 8y will give you minus y. And 21 minus 20 will give you plus 1 upon 2 as usual equal to 0. So minus y plus 1 equal to 0 because 2 into 0 is 0 only. So y is equal to 1. We have got the value of y as 1. Now you can substitute this value of y in the value of x. And what was the value of x in terms of y? I have found x is equal to minus 3y plus 7 upon 2. So in this equation, we can directly substitute the value of y. X is equal to minus 3 into, in place of y, we will write 1 plus 7 upon 2. And when you simplify, minus 3 plus 7 upon 2, that means 4 upon 2, which will give you 2. So x is equal to 2. So solution set, always try to write the solution set. Don't forget to write the two values in the form of ordered pairs. This is required always, whether it is given in your book or not, but you should write x comma y, okay, in circular bracket is equal to 2 comma 1. This is very, very important. Always write the solution set in the form of ordered pairs. Okay, just remember this. So x comma y is 2 comma 1. So have you understood this properly, boys? The method of substitution?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to start the same question with method of elimination. Okay. In method of elimination, as you all are aware that we equate the coefficient of any, coefficient of any one variable. Like over here, 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 was the first equation, and 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0 is the second equation. These are the same equations as we have taken in the case, in first case, when we have solved with the help of method of substitution. Okay, so like over here, I want to equate the x coefficient. So what I have done, I have multiplied equation number 1 by 3, okay, and equation number 2 by 2, just to equate the coefficient of x and to eliminate. Okay, now when you will multiply, then you will get what? Equation number 1, when you will multiply by 3. So 3 into, the whole equation is multiplied both the sides by 3. Just remember, you can't multiply only on one side. Okay, and if you multiply any equation by the same number on both the sides, it will not make any difference. You're already aware of this. So 3 into 2x will give you 6x plus 9y minus 21 equal to 0. Okay, that is 6x plus 9y equals to 21. This is the third equation. And when we will multiply the second equation by 2, okay, on both the sides, so 2 into 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0 into 2, which will give you the equation as 6x plus 8y minus 20 equal to 0, or you can write 6x plus 8y equals to 20. Now, you have seen that in both third and fourth equation, the coefficients of x are equal. It is 6x in third equation also, and it is 6x in fourth equation also. So, in third and fourth equation, because coefficients are equal, so what I have done, I have subtracted equation number 4 from equation number 3 just to eliminate x, okay, because we are solving with the help of method of elimination. So elimination should be shown at least once, okay. So 6x plus 9y is equal to 21, 6x plus 8y is equal to 20 when we subtract, okay, plus 6 and minus 6 will be cancelled, 8y minus 9y will be y, and 21 minus 20 is 1. So y is equal to 1 we have got, and now you can substitute this value of y in any of the equations like I have substituted in equation number 1. So 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 was the equation when we will substitute this value of y in this equation. So 2x plus 3 into 1, because value of y is 1, minus 7 equal to 0, or 2x minus 4 equal to 0, or 2x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 2. So x comma y, okay, the two values are, the values of x and y are what? 2 comma 1. And again I am repeating, don't forget to write the solution set in form of ordered pairs, that is in form of circular bracket. Okay, is it clear to everybody, boys, this method of elimination?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
now
Yes.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
telling you about
Yes, sir.
method
Yes,
of
sir.
cross multiplication. Okay,
Yes.
method of cross multiplication,
Yes,
this
sir.
is very, very important. Again, I'm taking the same case, like the first equation was 2x plus 3y, okay, minus 7 equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. As I told you in the beginning, what you will do, you will write x upon. When you will write x upon, then you will not take the coefficient of x, you will take the coefficient of the remaining two terms. Okay, that is 3 and minus 10, 3 into minus 10, and 4 into 7. Okay, 4 into 7. And you will write in this manner, is equal to minus y. When I will take the middle term minus y upon, okay, then I will not consider the coefficients of y. I will take the coefficient of the variable x and the constant terms. That is 2 and minus 10, 2 into minus 10, and 3 into 7, 3 into minus 7. Okay, so be very, very careful about the signs. And is equal to 1 upon, because the last term is not having any constant, so you will write 1 upon, and then you will do the cross multiplication of the coefficients of x and y. So 1 upon 2 into 4, okay, 2 into 4, and 3 into 3. Is it clear to everybody till this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, somebody has put on his mic. Please switch off your mics. Okay. So after this, when you will do write in this manner, then you will get x upon, when you will do the cross multiplication, 3 into minus 10 minus 7 into 4 is equal to minus y upon 2 into minus 10, okay, up minus 3 into 7, 3 into minus 7 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3, okay. So when you will proceed in this manner, you will get x upon minus 30 plus 28 is equal to minus y upon minus 20 plus 21 is equal to 1 upon 8 minus 9. So you will get ultimately x upon minus 2 is equal to minus y upon 1 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. So as I told you, you will equate first and third term. So you will get what? X upon minus 2 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. Minus minus will cancel, and when you will do the cross multiplication, you will get the value of x as 2. And when you will equate the second and the third term, then you will get y minus y upon 1 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. So y is equal to 1. Minus and minus sign will be cancelled. So you have got the values of x and y as 2 comma 1. Okay, 2 comma 1. Have you understood properly, boys? Any
Yes, sir.
confusion to anybody?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, please explain the first part once more.
First part once more. Okay. Just see, when we have started, we will write the two equations. Okay. Like I have taken x upon the two equations, x upon 3 into minus 10. When I will take the coefficient, when I will write with respect to x, then I will not take the coefficient of x. I will take the coefficient of y and the constant terms, like 3 into minus 10 and minus 4 into minus 7. Okay, 4 into minus 7. So I have written x upon this. Similarly, when we will take minus y, then I will not take, because I have written y, so I will not take the coefficients of y, I will take the coefficients of this x and the constant term. Okay, x and the constant term, like 2 into minus 10 and minus 3 into minus 7. And when I will take about the last, that is the constant term, okay, so 1 upon, I will take the coefficients of x and y only. X and y only. So you will write 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3. Okay. Till this step, is it clear to everybody?
Sir, why you have written minus y in the...
Because if I will not write minus y, then I will not be able to proceed. If suppose you want to write y only, okay, instead of minus y, then I have to write in the reverse order. Okay, in the reverse order, that means I will not write 2 into minus 10. I will write first of all 3 into minus 7 and minus 2 into minus 10. But because I am doing the multiplication in the same manner, that's why in order so order should not be distracted. Actually, it should not be affected. That's why we will take the middle term, that is y, with a negative sign. Okay, just to make the order same for all the terms, like for x also, for constant term also, and for y also. Okay, and then after that, when you will proceed, you will get x upon we have got, after solving, we have got x upon minus 2 is equal to minus y upon 1 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. And then we will equate the first and the third term. So you will get x is equal to 2. And when we will equate the second and the third term, you will get y is equal to 1. So write the solution set in the form of ordered pairs as 2 comma 1. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, boys, just to check that how much you have understood, I just want to know that you have the pen and pencil with you. Okay, pen or paper with you. Just solve this question with a method of cross multiplication and display it on your screen. I just want to see. Okay, just note down and let me see who can do it first. You have to show me the solution on the screen by method of cross multiplication. Otherwise, boys are very smart. They can do easily by method of substitution or by method of elimination. But I want to know that who can do this by method of cross multiplication first. Okay, just show me on the screen. Yes, Sukham. Sukham Sani. Sukhman Sani, sorry.
Sir, your mic was off, right? Sir, your mic was off that day. Mic was off. Oh
Okay.
my God.
Yes, boys. Are you still in the process?
Yes, sir.
Han
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Han sir.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
has done?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Just show me on the screen. Who is that? Parth Srivastav. Yes, Parth, beta.
Yes,
Just show
sir.
me on the screen. Yes.
Sir, only
And
organizers
just
Sir,
can screen share, so not the students.
no. I am able to see. He's working. Yes, but just show it to me. What are the values you are getting? Part
Sir, half and 2 by minus 2.
huh?
Sir,
No, beta. This is not correct.
X.
This is not correct.
I tell the answer.
Who is that? Just show me the working.
So I can't.
Aditya Pratap Singh, hai?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Aditya, what is the problem in showing the screen like the previous boy has shown the screen to me?
Sir, I can't get the option. I can tell the answer.
Okay. Just tell me the answer.
Sir, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. Minus 5.
-5. Absolutely correct. Acha, what is the problem that you are getting? Because the other boys can show me the on the screen also. Because what I told you to do it by method of cross multiplication. Sometimes boys are very smart. They do the question by substitution and elimination method. But over here, I especially mentioned you. Varun, Tejwani, just show me on the screen, beta. Oh, clear, very nice. So just x is equal to 1. Okay, absolutely correct, beta. Very nice. Just please scroll up, beta. Scroll up the screen. Varun, x is equal to
Yes,
1.
sir.
Scroll up. Yes, very nice. Varun, very good, beta. Anybody else? Anybody else has done? Harsh Pandey. Beta, just share the screen. No. Okay. Anybody else? Are you still doing? Yes, boys. I'm still waiting for the response. Because two boys have shown me the correct solution.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, solution, sir.
Just show me. Who is that? Mehul. Mehul
Yes,
Raj.
sir.
Okay. You got the value of x as
Sir, 1.
1, correct, and y as just scroll,
5.
beta. Scroll up the screen, beta. Just now.
Sir.
Absolutely correct, Mehul. Absolutely correct. Very good, beta. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Y is equal to minus 5. Absolutely correct.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
So,
Tejwani. Yes.
so how am I supposed to show you the working?
Better like the other boys are sharing the screen, na? Via the camera.
Oh, via the camera, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah.
Switch. Yes, sir. So can you see?
Yes. Just show me, better.
Yes.
Who is this? Acha,
Parth
Parth.
Pandey.
Yes, Parth
Yes.
Pandey. Yes. So 1 minute, x upon minus 2 is equal to minus y upon, absolutely correct. 1 upon minus 2. Absolutely correct, beta. Very nice. Very good, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. That means most of the boys have understood. Okay. So do one thing. Try the sums of this chapter, except the word problems related to the simultaneous equations. Okay. I have taught you about all the three methods, that is substitution method, elimination method, and method of cross multiplication. But I just want to tell you that first of all, try the sums from the exercise related to the method of cross multiplication. Okay. And tomorrow when I will take the class, then we will discuss the difficulties also if you face difficulty. Otherwise, I will proceed with the remaining chapter. Okay. That's all, boys. Very good response, especially from the few boys. And in the live class when we are doing, then interaction is must. Like many boys have shown me the correct working, it means they were ready. Okay. I want that this dedication I want to see in all the boys. Okay. And I know that you all can do. But a little more practice is required. Please try the sums. If you face any difficulty, then we will discuss tomorrow. That's all, because time is up. So I am just ending this meeting. Okay. Thank you, boys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Now
Thank
you
you,
all
sir.
can leave.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now you all can leave the meeting.
Thanks, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now leave the meeting. Beta.